This is super interesting. Donald Trump and JD Vance have been hit with criminal charges of a kind you don't often see. Let's discuss what's going on. NPR reports Haitian group seeks charges against Trump and Vance over false Springfield, Ohio claims. The leader of a nonprofit, this is NPR, we'll link to the article. The leader of a nonprofit representing the Haitian community invoked a private citizen right to file charges Tuesday against former President Trump and running mate JD Vance over the chaos and threats experienced by Springfield, Ohio, since Trump first spread false claims about legal immigrants there during a presidential debate. The Haitian Bridge Alliance made the move after inaction by the local prosecutor, said their attorney, Subodh Chandra of the Cleveland-based Chandra law firm. Charges brought by private citizens are rare but not unheard of in Ohio. Examples might be a grocery store charging a customer for a bounced check. State law requires a hearing to take place before the affidavit can move forward. As of Tuesday afternoon, none had been scheduled. What are they charged with? Disrupting public services, making false alarms, telecommunications harassment, aggravated menacing, and complicity. The filing asks the Clark County Municipal Court to affirm there is probable cause and issue arrest warrants against Trump and Vance. So listen, there have been many who have covered this story as they've been indicted and will imminently be arrested. I respect you too much to tell you that that's what's going on here. But this nonetheless could become another thorn in the side of Trump and Vance, requiring them to defend themselves. Do I think that criminal charges are logical here and likely to lead to a conviction based on the facts? I don't. Do I agree with the Haitian community that what Trump and Vance have done has pointedly weaponized global, certainly national, but arguably global hate and harassment against Haitian immigrants in Springfield, Ohio, who are indeed there legally? Yes, I do. They clearly have done that. So I'm curious to see whether such a hearing will ultimately be scheduled. There is legal precedent for this, but against a former president and Republican nominee, if I'm completely honest with you, I don't know that I expect this to go too far, but I do sympathize significantly with what they are going through there in Springfield, Ohio, and Donald Trump fixating on something that got a reaction from Kamala Harris during the debate. They're reading the cats, they're reading the dogs, and then generating significant harassment and hatred against that community. So I remain cautiously optimistic this will go somewhere. I believe that the way to rid ourselves of this targeted harassment against groups like Haitian immigrants is to soundly defeat Trump and Vance at the ballot box. I don't think, a citizen's arrest or citizen's charges in Ohio are going to be the way to do it. I don't think Trump ultimately landing in prison for any of the various criminal charges against him is going to be the way to do it. Many of us loved eating breakfast cereals as kids, but now that we're adults, you don't want all the sugar and the carbs, which is why I love our sponsor, Magic Spoon, the nostalgically delicious cereal that tastes just like your favorite sugary cereals from childhood, but without the sugar and packed with protein. Every serving of Magic Spoon cereal has 13 grams of protein, 0 grams of sugar, and 4 net carbs, so you can feel good about what you're eating. The most popular flavors are fruity and cocoa, but there are many more. And if you're already a fan of Magic Spoon, I have big news. Magic Spoon has turned their super popular cereal into high-protein treats that are light, crispy, and crunchy and taste just like the classic crunchy cereal bars. Magic Spoon treats have become a favorite go-to snack because it's an easy way to get 11 grams of protein on the go. And for the first time ever, Magic Spoon treats are available in grocery stores with delicious flavors like marshmallow and chocolatey peanut butter. Get $5 off your next order at magicspoon.com/Pacman or look for Magic Spoon in your nearest grocery store. The link is in the description.